Welcome to Mainstream at 6. This is Arnold Kranze. Now let's begin with local news. The Karbi Anglong Labor Union Central Committee has also celebrated International Labor Day today at Rue Samson Singti Memorial Park. The program starts with everyone gathering around at 8 a.m. in the morning, where the President and Secretary of Karbi Anglong Labor Union, Mansing Rongpi and Rising Milik respectively host the flag, followed with Mansing Rongpi, President of organizations, deliver quality speech to the members of organizations in the presence of Vice President Mrs. Rengpi Tirangpi, Kaku Hansepi, Shipra Rai, Bediasing Rongpi, Sonjit Kramsa, and numbers of people were present on the occasion.
On this 1st May of 2022 millennium, we on behalf of Karbi Anglong Labor Union Central Executive Committee, I'm Sri Bidasing Rongpi is my name, and the presence of our beloved President, Vice President, General Secretary, and all our Finance Secretary as well, the dignation, we congregate together here, and the Assembly for the Labor is our very important all around the world. That is why I'm very happy to read out some of our demand, and I'm very grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister of India that we have submitted the memorandum as His Majesty last visit on 28th April 2022 at Loring Tepi, Aklam. And according to our demand of Karbi Anglong Labor Union, we have struggled half of the decade ago. Since 2018-19, we still not kissing this
A heroin packed inside a soap wrapper was caught today in the morning at Laurizon under Khatkati police stations at Bogasan subdivision. An AS01 Chelsea 2511 bus coming from Manipur was stopped by the police for checking and found a 108.97 grams of heroin hid under a soap wrappers, and also an amount of 13,100 was caught from a man named Nongdima Mete, who also happened to be the driver of the bus. Now let's come to the state news. On Saturday, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma spoke on Uniform Civil Code UCC and said it's not his issue but an issue of all Muslim women. No Muslim woman wants her husband to bring home 3 other wives. He further said that triple talaq has to be removed and UCC need to be brought in order to provide justice to Muslim women, he added. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Cardon.